Self-confidence is something that many of us struggle with every single day. According to research, over 86%. This is important because self-confidence is a key element in achieving success in careers, relationships, and life in general. And it's often the deciding factor as to whether or not we take action when it comes to our goals and our dreams. Our struggle with self-confidence may have come from a bad decision we've made, something in our childhood, maybe our body image, but wherever it came from, that's not as important as what are you going to do about it. This is the second episode of a series of episodes in which we're talking about what you can do to build total self-confidence and get what you want out of life. Hi, I'm Marcus Muhammad. I speak on overcoming adversity and achieving success. Welcome to my show. Here you're going to get the information, the motivation, and the tools necessary to help you build a meaningful and successful life. Each week, we release a new and exciting video. So make sure you hit the red subscribe button down below. If you're like most of us who focus on our failures, our limitations, and our shortcomings, but you want to live a life of fulfillment, you want to take more risks, and you want to get what you want out of life, if that's you, then watch this video till the end. In episode 1, I told you about my fear of public speaking, stage fright. I told you how I humiliated myself by calling in sick at an event that I was supposed to speak at. I told you I decided enough was enough. It was time for me to take 100% responsibility. Today, I want to talk to you about step 2 of building total self-confidence, and that is to give yourself small challenges. This is the second most important step. Build your self-confidence by setting small goals. This might seem obvious, but think about it. Do you remember the Hack-a-Shaq, the strategy that basketball teams used to minimize the effectiveness of Shaquille O'Neal? It was based on the well-known fact that he couldn't make free throws. His inability to make free throws is the one thing that's keeping him from being talked about as one of the greatest players of all time. Had he taken the time to break his game down and work on that one thing till he mastered it, his name would be mentioned in conversations with Dr. J, Michael Jordan, Kobe Bryant, and LeBron James. I picked up on the significance of this concept in a book I read called The Talent Code by Daniel Coyle. In this book, he talks about young prodigies who demonstrate extraordinary talent. They master the craft by breaking it down into small chunks, then work on each chunk one at a time. This approach goes a long way toward building total self-confidence because it helps you develop incredible insight, intuitiveness, and internal control, mastering your craft one step at a time. The prodigies break the craft down into the smallest possible chunk. It sounds simple, but it's an effective strategy for building total self-confidence and mastering a skill. According to Coyle, it's the same technique that Yo-Yo Ma, Pinchas Zuckerman, and Joshua Bell used to master the strings. They break the craft down into its smallest possible chunks. Next, they master each challenge individually, playing each section very slowly till they master and understand its inner architecture. Then they begin putting them all together, gradually adding speed. Try this with a skill or craft of your desire, and in a short period of time, you'll become its master. And at the same time, you'll develop a mental blueprint, you'll gain adaptive intuition, and you'll have an increased sense of control and mastery. Let me tell you a story. After humiliating myself by calling in sick to get out of a speaking engagement, I decided to take full responsibility for overcoming my fear of public speaking. And I decided to take it one step at a time. I literally started out with baby steps. I cut out pictures of individuals that I admired and I posted them on a wall. Then, for about a month or so, I just had conversations with the wall. After I became comfortable talking to the wall, I started giving 3 to 7 minute speeches. I practiced everything: eye contact, vocal variety, voice inflection, stage movement. My first speaking engagements were with little children, kindergarten, 1st grade, 2nd grade. Then I moved up, 4th grade, 5th grade, 6th grade. Then I joined Toastmasters and a few other speaking organizations. Then I started speaking at my mosque and other public events. And then I began competing in speech competitions. I got some mentors and coaches, and now I'm speaking to larger and larger audiences. If I can overcome stage fright and have the confidence to talk to a crowd, You can overcome any obstacle that stands between you and your goals and dreams. And if there's something out there that you want to accomplish and you want to build the skill and the confidence to crush it, my challenge to you is this. Break it down into small challenges. Master each challenge individually, then slowly put them together. Do this and you'll have total self-confidence. Do it now, right now. And if you need help breaking your skill down into small challenges, click on the link below now and get your free copy of my guide, 5 Steps to Building Total Self-Confidence right now. Subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share this video. And remember, becoming yourself will be your greatest accomplishment. I'm Marcus Muhammad. I speak on overcoming adversity and achieving success.